We're doing a lot about energy. We've talked about sound energy and thermal energy, electromagnetic energy, a little bit of nuclear energy and chemical energy and potential energy and kinetic energy. So today, this last one I'm going to show you is, remember, you cannot create energy, you cannot destroy energy, you can only transfer energy. So I'm going to transfer this chemical in here to heat, and when I heat this up, you can see it gets red hot. I'll show you. So right now the air is getting so hot that if I turn it like this, when I turn it like that, this is called, the air resonates at a certain length and makes a certain sound. I'll try it again, ready? Heat it up, air gets hot, not good sound. Pretty cool. Energy transfer, one more time. Heat it up, no sound, turn it this way. Thanks for being such a great crowd. We got time for one more big deal.